Marilo. Not feeling good si father. Why? Why your father is not feeling good? Have headache. Your father is... Pasayawin mo siya para ano maging okay. Para yung feeling na is maging okay. Then full watch ako sa'yo pamangkin Marilo This is mas. Do you have pillow instead, mommy? Pillow? Yes, I have my pillow. Why do you need pillow? This is my pillow. Instead, mommy. Why do you need pillow? The pillow used to sleep. Sir Mike. Mike. Sino pang hindi ko manalista dito? Si Mami Choy Vlog. Si Josephine. Si Josephine pala. Josephine. Do you have pelo? Watching pa ako sa'yo si Smiles. Mary Joy. Ay, may upcoming pala si Mary Joy dito in English. Ay, natusukan ko na. Nagtusok na pala ako kay Joy. Thank you, Sis Jen. Thank you so much. Anyway, bago po tayo mag-end, I will say thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, Ate Josephine, Mami Choy Vlog, Sir Region, Kuya Noy, Mike, Joby. Lumayas na rin. Akala ko sino yan. Thank you, Ate Josephine, Mami Choy Vlog, Kuya Noy, Sir Mike, Sir Joby. Thank you sa pag-member, Sir Joby. Kay Sis Pasaway, Ading Joy, Sis Tigulo, Sis Grislen, Ate Sares, Kabsat Hagiyo, Ate Mans, Kabsat Magical, Sis Chari, Sir Borders, Sir Ijen, Ate Sis Miles, Twinnie Judy, Sis Mayet, tapos si Sir Gel, Kuya Rufino, and Sir Rap, tapos si Ate Lorna. Thank you so much sa inyo. Si Marilo. Thank you so much sa inyo mga guys. I will end my live and see you around. Lipat tayo kay Marilo. Bye bye sa lahat. Magbababay na ako. Lipat tayo kay Marilo. Thank you so much.